An employee connects their laptop to an external monitor, but the screen remains blank or doesn't display properly. Check cable connections. Ensure the HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cable is securely plugged in. Restart the laptop and monitor, power cycle both devices to refresh the connection. Select the correct input source, use the monitor's settings to choose the right input, HDMI, DP, etc. Update graphics drivers, install the latest drivers for the display adapter. Adjust display settings, go to Windows Display Settings and select Extend or Duplicate mode. Try a different cable or port, test with another cable or switch to a different port. If the issue persists, it may require hardware troubleshooting or checking for compatibility issues.